Introduction to brand. Branding is a strategy that is used by marketers. Branding as strategy to differentiate products and companies and to build economic value for both the consumers and the brand owners. The process involved in creating a unique name and image for a product in the consumer's mind, mainly through advertising campaigns with a consistent theme. Branding aims to establish a significant and differentiated presence in the market that attracts and retains loyal customers. What do you understand by the term brand? A brand is an identity that includes all sorts of components depending on the brand. Example: Body Shop International confine ethics, environmentalism, and political belief. Buying a brand is avoiding risk. A brand is an image where the consumer perceives a brand as representing a particular reality. A brand is a relationship where the consumer reflects upon him or herself through the experience of consuming a product or service. A brand is the identity of a specific product that consumers connect with by identifying the name, logo, slogan, or design of the company who owns the idea or image. Let us go through the objectives of brand. Identify various characteristics of product. Learn how companies manage and build product line. Understand how companies make better brand decision. Why branding is important for consumers and manufacturers. It is important for consumers to identify source of product, assignment of responsibility to product maker, risk reducer, search cost reducer, symbolic device, signal of quality. For manufacturers, it is a means of identification to simplify handling, signal of quality level to satisfied customer, source of competitive advantage and financial return. Moving further, let us understand what can become a brand. The world has many popular brands, but only a select few have a magnetic power. Branding is just as important for small business as it is for big names. Indeed, many corporate brands try to look more like small firms in order to appeal more to consumers that prefer to support independent brands. Goods, services, retailer, online products and services, people, organization, sports and art, these are the factors which become a brand. Let us discuss the difference between branding and marketing. Branding should both precede and underlie any marketing effort. Branding is not pushed but pulled. Branding is the expression of the essential truth or value of an organization, product, or service. It is a promise delivered, and to be successful, you must deliver on that promise every single time. The brand does not say, "Buy me." Instead, it says, "This is what I am. This is why I exist. If you agree, if you like me, you can buy me. Support me, recommend me to your friends." You have to identify your target audience and come up with a short statement that describes your brand purpose. Marketing. The management process responsible for identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer requirements profitably. Marketing may contribute to a brand, but the brand is bigger than any particular marketing effort. It is an integral part of your brand. It helps you to communicate the promise that you want customers and prospects to know about. Marketing activates buyer. Marketing should also be based on your brand position, personality, and values. What are the myths related to brand? Brand is not a product. To truly stand out in the market, a product must embody the characteristics of its brand. It is no wonder that companies are continuing believing that their brand is their product and their product is their brand. Many companies fail to achieve their branding goals because they mistake their brand for their product, service, or technology. Brand is not a logo. Brand is much more than a name or a logo. Brand is everything, and everything is brand. We believe a brand is not just a logo. A brand is not a corporate identity system. It is a person's gut feeling about a product, service, or company. If you trace the concept of its origin, you can see why people equate a brand with a logo. Types of branding: umbrella branding and sub-branding. These are consumer-facing brands used across all the firm's activities, and this name is how they are known to all their stakeholders: consumer, employees, partners, suppliers, and other parties. These brands may also be used in conjunction with product description or sub-brands, for example, Virgin Trains. Co-branding. Co-branding refers to several different marketing arrangements. Co-branding, also called brand partnership, is when two companies form an alliance to work together creating marketing synergy. Multiple branding. The marketing of more than two or more brands belonging to the same or related category by a company is called multi-branding. Example: Hindustan Unilever Limited has a number of bathing soaps brand. Family brand. The marketing strategy of family branding involves marketing and selling your product line using a single name brand name. Family branding allows customers to develop familiarity with the name and logo of a product, which may make new product introduction easier because of the name familiarity. Individual brands. Marketing policy under which each product has its own brand different from every other product in the same product family or from the same firm. Example: Puma and Nestle. When a company looks to establish itself in the marketplace, it offers turns to branding to help. Good branding can increase the value of the product and the company itself. Good branding gives a company several advantages, including establishing a positive reputation and building an image attractive to customers. Now, let us study the advantages of brand. It enhances product recognition, that is, brand provide multiple sensory stimuli to enhance customer recognition. It helps to build brand loyalty. Customers who are frequent and enthusiastic purchasers of a particular brand are likely to become brand loyal. Build brand equity. Strong brands can lead to financial advantages through the concept of brand equity, in which the brand itself becomes valuable. The quality of branded product undoubtedly is better. Disadvantages of brands are cost. If you wish to create and maintain a strong brand presence, it can involve a lot of design and marketing cost. There are also costs involved with the creating of a brand image. And although most of these are only one-off costs, they are still relatively large for most small businesses. Impersonal. One of the main problems with many branded with business is that they lost their personal image. The ability to deal on a personal basis with the customer is one of the biggest advantages small business have. And poorly designed branding could give customers the impression that your business is losing its personal touch. There are chances of brand failure, and the process of creating a brand will usually take a long period of time. In this lecture, we discuss about the branding, its objective, advantages and disadvantages. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.